Hey, you guys, check out this big solar street light I have here. Look at the size of this thing. All the little lights on there. One of the things I really appreciate about this is it doesn't come with a whole bunch of plastic over the thing. It's ready to go just like this right out of the box. And so it comes with a whole bunch of fasteners and a couple different brackets. You're not going to use them all, but it comes with a set for each application. So here's the mounting pole. It also comes with a bracket. So you got a couple options here. You can mount it to whatever, a fence post or something, a house, and just mount it like that. Or it comes with another bracket right here. You can mount it, sandwich it in between sandwich a fence post in between it. And this little bracket here goes on the back of the light, which I'll show you here short. Got the ones you can put in cement, some other ones to hold those clamps together, and some smaller ones here, and then some larger ones here. Right, as far as the remote functions on this button right here, this motion sensing one, the brightness is at 100% for when it senses motion, and no motion, the brightness goes down to 10%. For the second one, it's brightness at 100%. When it doesn't detect motion, it's off. So I really like that. This is a great feature here because I don't want that light to stay on. I only want it to be a motion sensing light. That's for my application. So I'm gonna go with option 2 here. And then you have, your 3 to 5H here. After the time set expires, the light will switch to sensor 1. And if you push the 4H, after 4 hours, the light will automatically turn off. I went ahead and mounted it to the top of this carport. Now I'm just gonna put the light on with the bracket. Okay, there's the light here. We're gonna focus on this back here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this right on here. Not these bolts, but these smaller ones here. You can see these longer ones. We'd use that for mounting it to something else. All we do is take them up, slide them underneath, and fasten them right there. We're not gonna tighten them down all the way because we still gotta slide it onto the pole, but just put them in there loosely. There we go. Went ahead and push this button too, just to turn it on. It's still light out, so it's not making any light right now. Right now it's on mode 1, where it just goes down to 10%, and then watch when I move, back up to 100. Now I just switched it to motion detection, this mode 2 here. You can see when you switch it, that's what it does when you change modes there. Now we're gonna go back to 2. There we go. But you can see it's dark out here. Now watch when I walk up on this light. There we go. Love that.